Galaxy AI is getting another big upgrade with One UI 8.5, and this time Samsung is focusing heavily on image editing. Over the last few years, Samsung has pushed AI features harder than almost any other smartphone brand, especially starting with One UI 6.1. With every update, the company has added new tools for generative editing, smarter suggestions, and more intuitive controls. Now, with One UI 8.5, Samsung is preparing a feature that lets you mix and match images directly inside the Gallery app using simple text prompts. This new feature was discovered in a leaked build of One UI 8.5 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. When you open a photo in the Gallery app and tap the Galaxy AI button, you'll see an updated Photo Assist section. This is where the new tool lives. Instead of only relying on the classic cut and paste editing tools or the more limited text-based editing options found on previous phones, One UI 8.5 lets you describe the changes you want with plain language. So far, text prompt editing has only worked through the Drawing Assist section on some high-end Samsung phones. But the new tool brings that capability directly into the Gallery, making it faster and simpler. You can type something like, add a beach background, remove the person on the right, or change the lighting to sunset, and Galaxy AI will generate the result. It's designed to be easy enough for anyone to use, even without editing skills. But the biggest upgrade is the ability to combine content from multiple photos. With this feature, you can pull in objects from other images stored on your phone and tell Galaxy AI how you want them blended. For example, if you're looking at a picture of your cat, you can choose another photo containing a ball or a piece of yarn. After selecting it, you simply type a prompt like, make the cat play with the yarn or place the ball next to the cat, and Galaxy AI handles the rest. It uses generative AI to blend the objects naturally, adjusting shadows, texture, and angles so the final image looks realistic. This opens the door for creative edits that would normally require Photoshop-level skills. You can merge two different moments, add objects that weren't originally in a scene, or even build fun and imaginative images without needing any experience. The feature seems aimed at both casual users who want quick edits for social media and advanced users who enjoy the freedom of AI-assisted creativity. The Tips app in One UI 8.5 already includes a description of this feature, confirming that Samsung fully plans to ship it. However, it doesn't work yet in the leaked build for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's also missing from the Galaxy S25 series running the first beta of One UI 8.5, so Samsung might still be finalizing it. Features like this often require fine-tuning, especially when generative AI is involved. There's a good chance Samsung will add the feature in a later beta release, once it's stable enough for wider testing. Another possibility is that the company may hold it back for the launch of the Galaxy S26 series early next year. Samsung likes to debut major AI upgrades with new flagship hardware before rolling them out to older devices, so it wouldn't be surprising if this tool makes its official debut alongside the next wave of premium phones. Even though the feature isn't live yet, its early appearance gives us a clear idea of Samsung's direction. Galaxy AI in One UI 8.5 isn't just about enhancing photos, it's about making advanced editing tools accessible and effortless. Instead of manually cropping, selecting, or adjusting layers, users can simply describe what they want their images to look like. AI does the heavy lifting behind the scenes. When this feature finally arrives, it will make Galaxy devices even more powerful for editing, creativity, and storytelling. Whether you want to tweak a single detail or build an entirely new scene using multiple photos, the new Galaxy AI mixing tool will open up possibilities that were never this easy on a smartphone before. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of what on-device AI can do, and One UI 8.5 looks like another step forward.